Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we're going to be unboxing two cat supplies that I got. One is a cat mat litter and another one for a pet feeding mat. So this one I got to reduce the mess that a cat makes when she's eating on the floor. So this is made out of a silicone. It says here, protect floors, water resistant, easy to clean, green silicone. So the brand is Cicadeer. So let's pull it up. Pull it out, I mean. So as you can see, this is made of a really thick silicone, which is nice. It's just rolled up. So there is a handle here. Let's remove this rubber bands and the edges. You can actually use it for a food tray, like on your table for your kids, for easy cleanup. But I'm gonna use it for the cat's feeding bowls. So that's our first item. The second item is this cat litter mat. I already have one, but I'm using it for the outside litter. This one is going to be for the inside litter. So easy to trap litter and maintain. Ultra soft, waterproof, and anti-slip. And the measurement I got is 15 by 24. So let's pull this out. This one is actually a smaller one than I previously had. The bottom is like made of a rubbery material that's wipeable, and there's like this holes in it so the cat litter would go inside and you can just shake it out. See, this one opens, so when it's full of litter you could like just chunk it in the, like do like this and put it in the trash. So I think my old one is twice as big as this one, so this one would not really hold a big litter. So this is the box, how to smooth out creases on the mat. So this is how to empty the mat. Tip the mat and pour litter into a trash can or litter box. Gently shake the hollow layer to make the little litter drop to the bottom layer. So it's really easy to use. So that is our unboxing for today. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.